Today's video is sponsored by MowPartsOz and Scott Bonner Restorations. Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how you can win a multi-manual corer for yourself. Regular aeration of your lawn is important to manage compaction, but it also allows air and water deep into the root zone and can even remove some thatch. Here we're using the multi-manual corer from MowPartsOz.com.au. You're likely already familiar with the other great products from MowPartsOz, and the Multi is designed and built to the same high standard. The Multi is Australian designed and manufactured, but it's also TIG-welded, primed and powder coated. It even comes with nice comfy hand grips. The Multi is ergonomic to use. Use a foot against the milled footrest to push it into the ground and then withdraw it using your upper body. Advance and repeat at the desired spacing. You'll quickly establish a good rhythm. Manual coring is a lot easier if the ground is wet, so plan to core after the sprinklers have run or after a good rainfall. I like to use my boots for this job to protect and support my feet. I've got about 85 square meters of lawn at the back, so I'll break up my coring into different zones and do the job over a couple of days if I need to, but the side eject tines make the job easy.
I've been hollow coring with side eject tines for several years now, and there's simply no other option, apart from maybe solid tines.
Forget the spiky shoes, mate. This corer is unlike anything else on the market. The Multi accepts between 1 and 5 evenly spaced tines, which are interchangeable to suit your needs. Use solid tines or a side eject tine for hollow coring. Of course, the side eject tine won't generally clog up, and they're easy to clear if they do. The tines can be swapped out by loosening a grub screw, and you'll find a number of industrial quality tines to complement your Multi at MowPartsOz.com.au. We're heading into summer now, but that's no reason not to core aerate your lawn. You can core warm season turf at any time of the year.
I last did a hollow core at the end of winter in an attempt to deal with compaction from the rain.
I've now replaced my retic bodies and nozzles, and I want to ensure the water I'm putting out is penetrating deep into the soil to ensure deep root growth and protect my lawn through the summer heat. A soil wetting agent is of course important too.
I'm set up here with a 19mm side eject tine, but smaller diameter tines are also available and may be preferable for a finer surface like your golf green.
I could load up all 5 tines, but a smaller number makes it easier to sink the Multi into the ground. Solid tines are also great for dealing with straight up compaction, and the 22mm tine is useful for pulling plugs when transplanting lawn from a healthy area to an area that's struggling. Having this tool in the garden shed means I can pull it out whenever I need to. For instance, to deal with areas of the lawn receiving higher traffic and which are prone to compaction. After use, we clear out the tines, wipe off the dirt, and give the tines a light spray to keep the rust at bay. Look after your tines and they'll last forever. If you're hollow coring, you'll want to clear the cores. You could gather them up and bin them, but this is your meticulously managed soil microbiome, and we want to keep it right where it is. After the cores have dried out in the sun for a day, we can hit them with a rotary. Skip the catcher. A lawn level also works well if you've got one, but if you don't, a broom makes quick work of the job. Plus, it's a great way to convince your spouse and neighbors that you're a dedicated lawnie, or completely crazy. Either way, fill your core holes with a top dress material like sand or lawn mix. I personally like to take this opportunity to introduce more organic material like Humus 400 from EcoGrowth into my sandy soil. You can also just leave the holes open and they'll close up before long. Christmas is coming, so check out the video description where you'll find a link to the multi-product page, which you can forward onto your significant other.
If you've been good this year, maybe Santa will fill your stocking with TIG-welded steel.
Be sure to use promo code LOVELARN10 at checkout to save 10% off the regular price of the Multi. Don't forget to add tines to your order too. As an extra special bonus, if you buy your Multi with the promo code, it will come adorned with a MowPartsOz sticker, a Love Larn sticker, and a Scott Bonner Restoration sticker. What more can you ask for? Well, you can also now purchase MowPartsOz.com.au gift certificates if the entire family wants to get in on the action.
It's competition time. If you want to win a Multi, we're giving one away. All you have to do to enter is drop a comment below or fill out the competition entry form at lovelarn.com/multi.
One lucky viewer will receive the Multi along with a full set of tines of their choice, postage paid, all courtesy of MowPartsOz.
We'll be drawing a winner live in the next few days, so get on it before the competition closes. I love featuring well-built, innovative products on the channel because they make life easy. I talk about quality all the time, and the Multi is another one of many quality products from MowPartsOz.
The option to change out a side eject tine for another style of tine using only a grub screw is a simple and elegant solution, and the Multi's rugged construction means it's going to last the distance.
These days, it's all too easy to buy a tool that's been designed without any thought and manufactured to suit a budget. Unfortunately, these tools either never work or subsequently fail. Spend a few dollars more and you end up with a tool like the Multi that's convenient to use and built to survive being dropped from a cliff. Kudos to MowPartsOz for building the Multi and making them available to viewers of the channel today. Thank you, George. Enter the competition now for your chance to win one of these handy tools.